Hello and welcome back. I'm back here at Home Depot. Check out the latest deals they have going on for this week. And it's Memorial Day weekend here coming up, so they'll have some special deals. And I want to first start off by thanking the veterans out there who served the country. And I want to thank you for your service. And also wanted to mention to everyone, be sure to take some time over the weekend in remembrance of those who have served and sacrificed everything they had for this country. We have a lot to be thankful for our freedoms here, and this is the weekend to give honor to those who served. And I want to start off by saying that, and let's get started here to the deals they have going on. And they have rolled out some new Ryobi deals and Milwaukee deals, so there's a lot to get to, so be sure to stay tuned and check it all out. All right, I'm going to start off here. They have here the Ryobi 18 volt. It is a brushless 18 gauge brad nailer for $189. And as you can see on each of these signs, they'll mention you buy a starter kit for $199, you get a bunch of select tools for free. For example, you buy this $199 high performance starter kit. This one has 3 batteries and a charger for $199, and you get this free hybrid tri-power tripod light. That's also $199 value. That's an excellent deal there. For only $199, you're getting 3 batteries for that. And then another option is you buy the battery kit, you get a free 450 CFM blower. That's a $159 value. And just so you do know that these deals are running from basically May 19th all the way through July 20th. So you do have some time on some of these deals. July 20th is the date that these come down. All right, so more savings here. They have $14.97. You have your choice of either a 22-piece drill bit set or a 52-piece impact driving set with diamond grit bits. $99 is a high-performance 6 amp hour battery. $149 is a 2-tool kit with the 1.5 amp hour batteries, and that comes with a drill and an impact driver. And here's another your choice of a blower for $69. It's a 250 CFM 18 volt blower, and also 18 volt 18-inch hedge trimmer. $79 for that one, and $69 for the blower. And here they have the 18 volt Ryobi 18 volt hybrid Whisper Series 7.5-inch fan for $59. Now this is a free tool if you go for the $99 battery kit, where you purchase this kit that has 2 batteries and a charger. Then you have your option of these tools you can get for free, and the fan is part of that deal as well. All right, other options here from Ryobi. They have for $20 the 15-foot compact laser level. And they also have for $50, they have the 3/8-inch drill driver with a 1.5 amp hour battery kit. And $89 is a 6-port fast charger. Just so you know that this is not simultaneous charger, it's sequential, so it'll charge one battery at a time as it works its way around the whole 6-pack of batteries you have plugged into it. Also, Ryobi, they have for $199, they have a 6-tool combo kit. That kit includes a impact driver, a 1/2-inch drill driver, LED light, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, and a 5.5-inch circular saw. It does come with 2 batteries, which one of them is a 4 amp hour and the other one's a 1.5 amp hour battery. Charger in a bag for $199. That's a pretty decent deal there if you're looking to get into the platform. Good value for $199. Moving along to other Ryobi stuff they have for $99. They have again listed the 2-tool kit with 1.5 amp hour batteries, the charger. They have a 1/2-inch drill kit with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger for $69, or an impact driver for $69. You can go with the 3-piece titanium step drill bit set for $25. It comes with these 3 bits. And they also have a 6-piece wire wheel assortment set for $18 there. 40-piece drill impact driver set for $13. Looks like it has a couple different spade bits and then regular drill bits and then screw bits. They also have a flexible shaft bit holder for $10. I have this one and it works great. I had to use it to get in real tight spots. I couldn't reach the whole drill in, so it does work. And it has a magnetic end to it as well, so it makes holding the screws easier. So for $25, they have the 4-piece oscillating blade set with a free blade included. You have your choice for $79. You can get a caulking gun, a recip saw, or a multi-tool. For $69, they have the 18-volt jigsaw. And then for $60, they have the Verse clamp speaker by Ryobi. It's 18 volt. For $79 is the Ryobi Vortex power scrubber. And that is tool only, as well as this wet dry hand vacuum for $70. And this is the $99 kit that you buy, and then you get a free tool. So the batteries that this kit includes is a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour and charger. For $99 there, then you get one of these free tools. It's a pretty good assortment there for only $99. That's a great deal. For $179, they have the 18 volt Ryobi brushless 4-mode half-inch impact wrench. $129 is the 4.5-inch angle grinder. It is brushless. $119 for the compact brushless one-handed recip saw. And also $119 for the 6.5-inch circular saw that is also brushless. And again, some of these tools they have as the tool you would get for free if you buy the $199 battery kit. They have the stick vacuum here listed for $199. It's a brushless stick vac, 18 volt. So with the options of the $199 battery kit and the free tool, the battery kit is 2 4 amp hour batteries and a 2 amp hour, as well as a charger. And you also have another choice of getting another 2-pack of the high performance 4 amp hour batteries for free as part of that deal. But here's like the pictures of the different tools they are showing that you can get for free for this $199 kit. So they do have that impact wrench, the 18 gauge brad nailer, the one-handed recip saw, the vacuum, a spotlight, scrubber, fan, Bluetooth speaker, orbit sander. It's like an inflator, D-handle jigsaw, caulking gun, oscillating tool, hedge trimmer, blower, recip saw, blower. So they have a couple different blowers. They have a 6.5-inch circular saw. Then like I showed earlier, the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries, a grinder, the stick vac, as well as the tower light. All excellent deals if you buy the $199 kit. For $199, getting one of those for free. The best one it seems to go with would be either the impact wrench is a $179 value, or the tower light that's priced at $199. And even the brad nailer is a $189 value, so can't go wrong with any of those options you go with for the free tool. Or they rolled out some new Milwaukee deals, some M18 deals here. So we'll get started with you could buy the starter kit for $299. That includes 2 of the high output 6 amp hour batteries and a M12 and M18 charger for $299. Then you get one of these following tools for free. And the options are the 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench, the D-handle jigsaw, 1/2-inch hammer drill, the blower, the 4.5-inch grinder with a paddle switch, one-handed recip saw, the grease gun, tire inflator, wet dry vacuum, the 175 watt power supply, random orbit sander, the multi-tool, in which the multi-tool is not the fuel model, so that's the regular brushed one. Obviously, the better thing to go with for a free item would be the 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench, which is a $249 value, or even the jigsaw at $229, and that paddle switch grinder for $229. Those are going to be the top ones to go for, or even the grease gun. Those are the highest priced ones you get for free for that 6 amp hour battery kit. And the other option they have here. All right, so for the $199 kit, they have a 2-pack of batteries, which one is the 5 amp hour battery, and the other one's a 2.0 battery, and then charger. So it is different than the one from Black Friday time when they have it as a 2 5 amp hour battery. So you're getting a less battery for the second battery there, but you get one of these tools for free. And the options are the 2-gallon wet dry vac, the multi-tool, the random orbit sander, or the power supply for $99 there. Yep. Those are your 4 options they have. They have one here that was printed, but they covered it up, so it must no longer be part of the deal. They are running these deals from Milwaukee until July 20th as well. So you have a little bit of time to capture those deals. They just started it on the 19th of May. All right, and also from Milwaukee, they have a deal from the M12 tools. They have available here where you buy one of these 3 tool kits here. You get one of these tools for free. So the tool kits that you had to purchase for $229 is a 2-tool combo kit, which is the hammer drill and impact driver. It comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery. And then they also have for $199 the installation drill driver kit, which I do happen to have both of these kits. All great tools. They're enough to do most tasks with the 12-volt platform, and they are pretty powerful. And then for $179, they also have the hydraulic driver kit, the impact driver with 2 2-amp-hour batteries for $179. All right, so again, you buy one of these 3 kits here, and you get one of these options for free. And the tools that are included in this deal is a 12-volt 3/8 ratchet tool only. It's a $149 value. And they have the compact spot blower. That's a $99 value there. Or the 12-volt multi-tool. That's a $119 value there, which that is the regular brushed multi-tool. It's not the fuel one. Obviously, the better deal to go with is the ratchet. That's a $149 value that you get for free. Any of these kits you purchase there. And they have an automotive special buy for $299. You can get the 12-volt extended reach box ratchet. It looks like it comes with some sockets as well. So that's priced at $300 there. And also from Milwaukee, they have a new exclusive M12 subcompact brushless tool kit that includes the hammer drill, an impact driver, and 2 of the 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for $149. And then for $499, you can go with a 7-tool combo kit by the M18. These are going to be the brush tools. Tools that includes are a circular saw, a drill driver, hex impact driver, work light, a multi-tool, the hacksaw, and grinder. And it comes with the two of the 3-amp-hour batteries and a charger for $499 there. And they have a 2-pack of the M12 3-amp-hour batteries for $99. And they have the new Bluetooth job site speaker, the M12 one, for $129. And these deals are good until July 20th as well. So you do have some time. And they have a new lower price on this M18 Milwaukee fuel hatchet. It's the 8-inch pruning saw. They have it down to $229, and it was $279 there. I have the M12 version, in which I love that one. And I can imagine this one's even better, being the 18-volt. And they also have priced at $299. They have the pole saw kit. That's the quick lock kit. So it includes also the extension, and then the pole saw, and then the power head. So this would be tool only. They have that marked down to $299, and it was $349. All right, they have other deals they have going on with the Milwaukee M18, where you buy the 2 battery kit. That's just 2 6-amp-hour high output batteries. Buy that kit, and you got other options for the free tools. They have the D-handle jigsaw. That's a $229 value. The 1/2-inch hammer drill. It's a $199 value. The 18-volt random orbit sander. It's a $149 value. And then the $99 175-watt power supply top off. Obviously, don't go for the $99 one. Go for either the hammer drill or the D-handle jigsaw, for that matter, for the free tool. And then the other option they have, again, is the 5-amp-hour battery and 2-amp-hour battery with charger for $199. You buy this, and then you have the option of getting the 18-volt random orbit sander, which looks like it's the same one as offered there. So why would you go for the more expensive battery kit when you can go for one that's $100 less? And then again, they also offer the top off 175-watt power inverter as a free tool. And they have lower pricing on the Milwaukee 2-tool combo kit. It's the fuel models of the 1/2-inch hammer drill, an impact driver, 2 5-amp-hour batteries, and a charger for $349. It was $399. And then for $349, they have the 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench with the friction ring. It includes a 5-amp-hour battery and charger as well. And they have, again, where you buy this starter kit for $199, you can get your option of the 2-gallon wet dry vac. That's a $149 value there. They have a better deal price on the Milwaukee M12 cutoff tool. It's a 3-inch one. And they have this now priced at $129 when it was $149 there. And they have like the regular pricing on these other tools. Like for example, the 5 3/8 circular saw is $159. They have the barrel grip jigsaw. That's the fuel for $169. And then for $129, they have the 5 amp hour battery, the high output one, as well as the 12 volt mounting fan they have for $99. They have this Ridgid miter saw stand. This is the one I've talked about in previous videos. This is the one that I use for my DeWalt saw, and I love this stand. They do have this on a deal price right now at $179. I think the normal price is around $229, so it is a good deal at $179. I recommend this stand because it has larger wheels than other stands. I had the DeWalt miter saw stand in the past, and I prefer the Ridgid one. It's easier to set up, it's easier to put together. Everything about it is easier than the DeWalt one, in my opinion. And the arms here extend out of both sides. It also has stop blocks on each end that you could use to set up repetitive cuts. So it's easy to do and easy to cart around in too. So definitely recommend it. And you can get replacement parts there to be able to outfit multiple saws to the one stand. So it makes it easy to do, and can't say anything else good about it, but it works great and I do like it. I do recommend it. Not a bad deal at all for $179. All right, that's going to conclude this week's tool deal video at Home Depot, showing you the latest offerings they have going on with Ryobi and Milwaukee, the newest deals they have out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.